Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Cardano. It's been a while since I covered Cardano, but I thought the price was looking quite interesting, and I think there's some nice opportunities here. So, wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to give you an update on the current situation, and just in general, I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for all the different scenarios, and I'll tell you which scenario I think is most likely. I mean, in the end, it's a price prediction. But let's get right into it. So yeah, it's been a while since I covered Cardano. I mean, since then, I think Cardano has done relatively well. I mean, and this is the case for most of these kind of older veteran dino coins, whatever you want to call them. There's different names, but they're actually holding their support levels, right? So I would not say that Cardano is bullish right now, because there's no way you can argue that. It's below the trend band right here. We've been making lower lows and lower highs, so we're not bullish. But in the end, I mean, if you compare this to other altcoins, Cardano is at least still holding this major support level between around 70 cents, while most altcoins, I'll tell you that, have dropped down not only below this support level respectively for their charts, but they're back down at the levels that they were at kind of at the start of November. And Cardano right now, yeah, sure, we're not bullish, but we're still up about 128%. Now, fundamentally, I don't know how Cardano is doing. Fundamentally, it could be better. I mean, the TVL has basically been dropping down since the beginning of December. Not great. DEX trading volumes last 2 days actually quite high. So it's interesting. I'll keep my eyes on that. But what I fundamentally think is one of the reasons why Cardano is still holding up fine, ironically, is that these older coins just have stronger communities. All right, they have stronger communities and longer lasting communities. All right, if you look at a coin like Hedera, look at a coin like Algorand or Cardano, they have these communities that have held these coins for years. And I know, like, a lot of people say this market is moved by whales and market makers. I actually do think that retail like that matters. Contrary to what a lot of people know, I mean, market makers do move markets, right? That's the truth. But in the end, what they also do is they look at the reaction of retail. And if they see the reaction of retail to these coins and that they're not selling or selling less, they won't push the price down, and they will not remove demand side liquidity. Which is something that they might do. And then outside of that, fundamentally, I actually do think Cardano, as a US-based company, and also with Charles Hoskinson having these contacts with Trump, and I believe he has some sort of a meeting at the end of the month, that's bullish as well. So that makes that Cardano is holding up relatively well here, even though the market circumstances, especially for altcoins, as you can see right here, are not amazing. So then if we technically take a look at the situation, I would say the main support level is right here between 65 and 70 cents. Strong support level, as you can see. The most important resistance level, I think, is around 80 and 82 cents. So what we are essentially waiting for is either to break back above 80 cents here and to get into some sort of a consolidation right here, basically the same price action we were in since the middle of December. Or we will fail to break out, and we will ultimately get the bearish breakdown right here and a drop into 55 and 50 cents. Those are the two scenarios. Given the fundamentals right now and given my expectations for Bitcoin and all of the fundamental uncertainty that's going on, I would say it's most likely we'll be able to reclaim 80 cents. But I do want to kind of stress that I personally, even though I do think that's most likely, I will wait for that confirmation before actually trading this, all right? And I would not advise you, but I would encourage you to do the same. Wait for that confirmation. Still a lot of uncertainty, but I would say Cardano actually does look relatively interesting, relatively strong. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.